This is the top 3 tips to selling your home. Hi, I'm Kayla Maathuis with Your Journey Home. Tip number 1 is pricing your home. Pricing your home is the most important aspect of your marketing strategy. It's very important to price your home competitively, especially in a shifting market. Now, it's not enough just to look at the comparables and see what your neighbor sold their home for. We need to take into other factors of pricing your home, such as the unique features of your property, how it compares to others, what the current market state is. Are we in a buyer, sellers, or a balanced market? We also need to take into consideration what the interest rates are doing because that will affect the buyer demand and our buyer pool. In addition, we will chat about your personal goals and your real estate needs so we make sure that your pricing strategy will help you accomplish these goals. Tip number 2 is getting your home show ready. You only have one chance for a first impression, so let's wow your buyers at the first time they see your home. In order to do this, there's so many things that come into play, but let's start with this punch list of items. You'll want to declutter your home. It's important to start pre-packing and putting your things into a storage unit or a shed. Next, you want to deep clean the home. Buyers don't want to see a dirty property. It's also important to organize your closets and garage spaces. Buyers will look in these areas to make sure that they suit their needs. It also might be a good time to do some quick repairs. Sometimes these quick repairs can knock off a handyman to-do list and make the buyer see that there's not a bunch of things to be done to the property and it's move-in ready. Next is landscaping. Landscaping is so important for that famous curb appeal. Tip number 3 is marketing. The whole goal in listing your home is to get it in front of as many willing and able buyers as possible. Most buyers are starting their search online, so it's very important to have professional photos, a professional video, and your marketing strategy should include print, but also online advertising. The online advertising should also include social media and local websites. Your last step is to hire me as your listing professional. If you or someone you know needs to sell their home, I would love to help them and further educate them on the marketing strategy and ways to get their home sold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. Have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious. Bye.